Hello guys, welcome back in my next video. So in this video I'm gonna show you how to install the JBL 3.1 bar. You can use any JBL bar. So you can in my previous video you can find how many accessories in the JBL box. So this is the power plug. This is the subwoofer, and this is the AC in. Just push it, and don't push it by force. This is the power adapter, which is plugged to JBL bar, and this is the power plug which I am to attach to power adapter. There are 2 pin and there are no sign plus or minus sign here, and just install. It is easy to install. So now I am plugged to now you can find just beside you can see that the power 2.7 ampere 24 volt power. You can use this section to just insert this cable here. This is remote control, and there are 2 batteries which were inside the box. Just open the backside cover, and this is the plus sign. This is the plus head of this battery, and this is the negative head of this battery. So this side is JBL remote. Just rotate it. Plus sign is inside here. Now you can see this plus sign. Okay. Okay, it can now ready to control. So I hope this video is helpful to you. Thanks for watching. Take care. God bless you. Bye bye.